I had a little accident in the Mustang. Yeah, an accident. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are at the temporary man cave. I had a little accident in the Mustang. What it was is I hit a deer, or a deer hit me, put it that way. Wasn't too terrible bad. It did a little front damage to it, bent some things up, but that just gave me the incentive and the reason to order this part for it, because I really have been wanting it. I think it will benefit the car, not only in the looks factor, not that it didn't look bad or it didn't look good. It just looks stock, you know. It is modified, so we are continuing that tradition with what's in this box, and it's also going to help it in the performance matter. So, all right, enough of that. Let's get through unboxing. All right, get after it. Okay. I know, y'all probably already know what it is, but, and yeah. Nonetheless, I'm still excited about it. There's nothing like new parts and Shelby racing front apron, front valance, and the performance is going to let more air come in to help it keep cool, because it kind of gets warm sitting still. I don't know if it's from the air conditioner in front of the radiator. That could be an issue. I may need to probably put a pusher fan on it, but I've just been needing a reason, and we've got it, boys. Oh, it's gonna look good. Let's do this. I don't have any of my power tools with me. They're all at the man cave that I'm working on. It is built. It's built. It has doors on it. It's walls, a roof, a concrete slab. Another reason why the videos haven't been very consistent, but hopefully soon, it's getting closer by the minute, we'll be moving all this stuff over to the new man cave. But so far so good, easy peasy. Got the parking lights out. They're just the original 3/8. It's not really a nut. Probably could be a better thing, but. So the front valance is just held on with some half-inch screws. We'll knock these out, and then we can get to this bumper. Okay, well, these aren't a 1/2 inch. These must be a 7/16 or 3/8. 7/16. Already gotten the other side. Now we gotta do is take this side off. Come on out. Here we go. How about that? All right, y'all, let's do this. I have a feeling a lot of this is bent, but we're just going to have to maybe mock fit it up a little bit. And I have no idea how it's really actually supposed to go because rats. I'm just trying to tighten everything up. So yeah, see that line? That's where this is supposed to go. Over that. This goes under there, I believe. Well, it's not meeting anyway, but as you can see, all that dent in there. I probably just need a new one of these. Same thing over here. This is a little bit better, but as you can see, it's still a little high. But overall, man, that's a pretty good look. I have to work on them bumper brackets a little bit. Get that bumper lined back up so it's not at an angle. And that'll really make this look good. Yeah, I believe she's gonna breathe. A little bit more airflow. Anyway, new front valance. Yeah, it needs a little tweaking, needs a little working, or maybe the body needs a little massaging. Nonetheless, don't know half a dozen over the other. We just got it mocked up right now. So I'm definitely liking it. We'll do the turn signal lights on it. And we'll work on that apron, whatever it is. Stone guard. See if we can't. I'll probably take all this back down and work on that. Or take that completely out. No, I can't do that. I may take them both out and redo it backwards. I don't know. Still got to work on that bumper. And that's going to be a little massaging in there too, or new brackets, one or the other. What do y'all think? Is that a good improvement for modified Mustang? If it is, maybe we got a little bit more wall art here. Front valance, Hummer skid plate. We'll put that back on eventually. Paint it or powder coat it or something. Right now it's out of the way. I think it's time we fire up on modified Mustang. This is a cold startup of all cold startups. Like maybe a month. Let the fuel pump kick it. It is carbureted, so about 2 on the gas pedal. It has been a hot minute since this thing ran. Still got plenty of fuel. Sounds so good. This sounds so good. I just want to drive it. Whew. Man, guys. Old modified Mustang. Sure is a whole lot different than what it used to be back when it had that little 6-cylinder. Nah, it's got that wonderful, magnificent V8. Man, I just thought I'd catch y'all up on modified Mustang and let you know about the man cave. Anyway, back in action. We may be at the temporary man cave, but it won't be long. This video is over, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.